Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to install Microsoft Store on Windows 10. Alright, let's begin. Note that the process is the same for any Windows, so follow the exact steps and you'll be good to go. Now, if you've accidentally uninstalled Microsoft Store or don't have it on your PC, you can still reinstall it. First, click on the search box at the bottom left of your screen and type PowerShell. Right-click on Windows PowerShell in the search results and select Run as Administrator. This will open a PowerShell window. Now, you'll need to copy and paste a command into this window. You can find the command in the video description below. To paste, hold Ctrl and press V. Once pasted, press Enter to run the command. It will take a minute or two to complete. Once it's finished, you can close PowerShell by typing Exit and pressing Enter. Now, go back to the search box and type Store. You should see Microsoft Store listed as an option. Go ahead and open it, and now you're ready to use it to download apps, games, movies, and more. So that's basically how you can install Microsoft Store on Windows 10. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.